Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking another look at that famous Scottish classic, My Bonnie Lies Over the Ocean, and how to play it on a tremolo harmonica with 24 holes. Let's take a close look at phrase 1. Blow into 7, blow into 11, breathe in through 10, blow into 9, breathe in through 10, blow into 9, breathe in through 6, blow into 7, and blow into 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Phrase 2, blow into 7, blow into 11, breathe in through 10, blow into 9 twice, breathe in through 8, blow into 9, and breathe in through 10. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now, phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1. So let's move on to phrase 4. Blow into 7, breathe in through 6, breathe in through 10, blow into 9, breathe in through 8, breathe in through 6, breathe in through 8, and blow into 9. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Phrase 5, blow into 7, blow into 9, breathe in through 6, breathe in through 10, blow into 9, breathe in through 8 4 times, breathe in through 6, Breathe in through 8. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 10. And blow into 11. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, blow into 7. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 6. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 8 4 times. Breathe in through 6. Breathe in through 8. And blow into 9. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And don't forget to look out for part 2 of this tutorial, in which I'll show you how to play this an octave higher than what we did in this tutorial. And remember, if you're the sort of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, then check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned. Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget, I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also, I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.